Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to get iOS emojis on your Android phone. So let's start. First, open the Google Play Store and search for ZFonts app. Now download this app to get the latest iOS emojis. I have already downloaded it, so I'll just open the app. Now go to the emoji section and here you'll see different type of emojis. Now select an iOS emoji you want. I'll just go for the latest version. And this app has a lot of ads, so beware of that. Now, to download the emojis, you have to tap download at the bottom of the screen. And the emojis will start downloading. The emojis are downloaded. Now you have to tap on set to set the emojis on your theme according to your mobile preferences. And that's how you get iOS emojis on your Android phone. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.